Okay, guys, this is the thread for my MNUM's giveaways for this round. Thank you again, everyone. If you have paid, thanks. If you have not paid yet, please do so shortly. If you've already contacted me, we're good until the date you said you're going to pay. If you haven't contacted me, I'll be PMing you tonight with your totals. Again, thanks a lot, guys. So we're going to go in here. We're going to the giveaways first. So I've given away a Terry Sawchuk 2017 in the game used memorabilia piece, 1 of 6. 2018-19 Artifacts Hockey Blaster, 2017 Don Ross Football Blaster, 2017 Topps Baseball Blaster, and an assorted package of loose wax packs, multi-sports, wrestling, maybe some entertainment in there. Alright, so we will go to the list. There is 2,315 entries, guys. Good luck. Actually, I just realized something here. Let me highlight this first. Let me highlight that first and go back. We're live. Just to make it official, guys. 1:48 p.m. Eastern. I almost forgot to do that. So we'll copy this list over. We go 3 times in the clubhouse. So again, timestamp 1:48 p.m. Eastern. First random. (1:48 p.m. Eastern). Second random. Comes the third random, guys. 1:48 p.m. Eastern. We've gone 2 times. Going third and final random. Top 5 are going to win. There's the top 5 there. Into the winners. And back to the giveaways. Giveaways. We're going to go 3 times again. 1:49 p.m. Eastern, 1. 1:49 p.m. Eastern, 2. 3 times on the mix. Third and final random at 1:49 p.m. Eastern. Okay. Let's clean this up a bit so it's easy to see. Okay, guys. Oops, sorry. Hold on a second here. What did I do here? I put it in the wrong spot. Oh, hold on a second, guys. Should have been over here, not over on the other side. Okay. So, Pablo Sanchez, you won the 2018-19 Artifacts Blaster Box. Tyler Maher, you won the assorted loose packs multi-sport. John Christopher won twice. Well, struck lightning there. 2017 Topps Baseball Blaster and the Don Ross Football Blaster. And Alexander Chilizo, you won the Terry Sawchuk 2017 in the game used vintage 1 of 6 card. Guys, again, thank you. We are done. Time 1:51 p.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys. second, guys. Where did